Hi guys, good day and welcome to our stock market investing basic course. This is our topic number 3, how to start investing in the stock market. So, in topic number 1, we discuss about what is stocks, what are the advantages of investing in the stock market, what are your rights, and paano ka kikita sa stock market. And for video number 2, so I showed you why, no? Ba't kailangan mo ng stock market investment? Lalo na if you have other investment in real estate and businesses. So, doon natin siya diniscuss. And for topic number 3, I'm sure gusto mo na malaman paano ako makapag-start mag-invest sa stock market. So again, I'm Lauren Junicio. So I love teaching and inspiring people to invest and to take charge of their finances. And about me naman, sino ba ako and bakit kayo makikinig sa akin? And I'm a certified public accountant, I'm a registered financial planner, and a personal finance blogger. So ang blog ko is pinoyfinancialplanning.com, and internet marketing blogger din ako, which ito yung mastermind marketing.ph, which I discuss about creating your own website, your own blog, social media marketing, and online marketing. So, dyan ko siya dinidiscuss, no? So, I'm also an entrepreneur for Likot, which is an online t-shirt store. So, and also with my friends, Busog, which is more on the agri and food business. So, we have Crispy Pata and goat racing business. And for I'm also part-time speaker for Truly Rich Club Caravan and Kerigma Conference. And before we start, no, I hope no you know this guy. This is Allen Iverson. Isa sa mga idol ko sa basketball, no? Ngayon tinatanong natin um majority or almost no almost NBA retirees after 5 years of retiring in the NBA nababankrupt. So this is a proven data no from US na after 5 years of retiring in NBA nababankrupt yung mga basketball player na to. Kahit na gaano kalaki no yung kinita nila na milyones dollars no in NBA. So like ito nga si Allen Iverson, one of my idols in basketball, ay 154 million pesos yung kinita niya sa NBA, but still broke siya ngayon. Down in debt, broke, no? So nakakalungkot, no? So bakit? Ano ba yung rason, no? Bakit karamihan ng mga biglang yumayaman, no? Katulad dito sa atin, yung mga nananalo ng loto. So after years, 3 to 5 years, ubos yung napalalunan nila, ang masakit pa nun, ibabaon sa utang. So bakit, no? Ano ba nangyari? Ang isa sa mga uh, nakikita nating dahilan is the lack of understanding about the three basic laws of money. So ano ba tong three basic laws of money na to? Which first is you need to save 10 to 20% of your income, no? Kailangan 'yan. Once you start, it doesn't matter, no, kung gaano kalaki yung sweldo mo, kahit sobrang liit pa ng sweldo mo. The important thing is you start saving or investing your income, 10%, 20% of your income, no, in any investment vehicle. So, yun yung importante. You just start, build discipline, no? So, kailangan makuha mo na yung discipline mo to invest 10 to 20% of your income, no? So, yun yung pinaka-importante. Remember the richest man in Babylon, a story, saving 10%. So, that's his secret, no? Being the richest man in Babylon, na he saved 10% of his income, no? To any investment vehicle. And second law is you have to invest it. So, once you save, you need to invest. As discussed in video number 2, di ba? we need to beat inflation. Saving in a bank which gives around 1 to 2% return, may final tax pa ng 20%, it's not enough to beat inflation. So what we are saving right now is we need to invest it. So kailangan i-invest natin to. Yan. Third law is reinvest it to benefit from the power of compounding. So ibig sabihin, pag nag-invest ka, huwag mo siyang kukunin. Kung ano man yung kitain nito, i-reinvest mo lang, ibalik mo dun sa investment na yun para mas mabilis yung paglaki nito. At sabi nga ni Tito Albert Einstein, no, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't understand it pays it. So it works, no, double sword siya. So it can be of your advantage, like if you're investing and take advantage of the power of compounding, and that's good. But what if you have a loans, 'di ba? So sobrang laki ng loans mo and interest, and sobrang laki rin, lalaki nung mas lalong mababaon ka rin sa utang, especially if it's compounded, no? The interest on your credit cards, no? Yung mga loans mo. So, it's a double sword, no? Yung compound interest. But tayo, gusto natin, we take advantage of it. And, kunyari, in-explain natin, you have 10,000 at 6% next year, so that's 10,600 na. And next, the second year, 6% again siya. So yung 10,600 mo, hindi mo kukunin yung 600 na gain mo, you just invest it for next year, it's 11,236. So yung basis ng 6% mo sa year second is 10,600 and not the 10,000 anymore kasi nga you have reinvested the 600 na na-earn mo nung first year. So, ganon yung format ng compound interest. And this example, no, I just want to show you na, let's say if you have $1,000, yung principal mo, pag wala siyang interest, it's flat. Diba? So, if for 20 years, 10% compounded interest, if it's interest no compounding, yung 1,000 mo, $3,000 lang siya. What if every earning na nakuha mo, nire-reinvest mo lang for 20 years at 10%, so you almost have 7,000 US dollars. So compared mo siya sa 1,000, sa 3,000 with no compounding, sobrang laki, almost doubled, 'di ba? Your ending investment. So it's very advantageous, no? What are the requirements naman? So yes, we need to invest. We now know the rule of three rules of money. So we need to save 10% to 20%, invest it, and reinvest the dividends or reinvest the earnings, no? So, I want to invest now, sabi mo. Gusto ko na mag-invest. So, what are the requirements in investing? First is you need a stockbroker account. So, kailangan you need a broker to buy this investment vehicle like stock market, so mga stocks and mutual funds. And you need the capital minimum of 5,000 pesos. Kailangan mo na minimum, no, na 5,000. And documents, valid IDs, billing statements. So, kailangan mo, no, ng mga documents na to para ma-verify ng mga stockbroker na to na ikaw ay legitimate, and not a dummy account. And fourth is time frame. So, investing is not trading, no? Trading is for short term and investing is for long term. So, for investing, you need around 7 years and above. Mas matagal, mas less risky, and mas maganda yung returns mo para mas mabilis pa siya mag-compound, no? And lumaki. And fifth is your financial goals. So, kailangan may goals ka. Hindi naman mag-i-invest ka sa stocks dahil yung kaibigan mo nag-i-invest din, nakikita mo to or nabasa mo to, naengganyo ka lang. You must have financial goals also. Para saan ba yung financial goals mo? So, it's for your dream car, it's either for your dream travel, or you want a mansion after 30 years. So, inusulat mo ano yung mga goals mo. Like for me, I have my financial goals are I want to have a fund for the educational educational requirement of my children, and gusto ko rin magkaroon ng dream travel fund, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng yung dream car fund ko. So, ito yung mga financial goals mo. It's very important na pag nag-invest ka sa isang vehicle, investment vehicle, alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. Diba? These are your financial goals. And so, ngayon, after settling your financial goals, so, tignan mo muna kung ano yung mga goals mo. So, here are the steps, no? Ito yung way mo. Ito yung vehicle mo to reach your financial goals. So, actually, there are only 2 steps, no? Open your stockbroker account. So, we have our live broker. Ito yung mga stockbrokers talaga na tao, no? And online broker naman, so we have now, technology right now, we have online brokers na pwede natin gamitin. And actually, there are 3 steps, no? Our recommended broker is ulfinancial.com. So, ito yung procedures nila. So, just 3 steps. You apply, you submit the documents, and you fund your account. Just 3 simple steps. So, huwag kayong ma-overwhelm na stocks yan. No, napakadali lang nito. Parang nag-open ka lang din ng bank account mo. And step 1, apply. Go to colfinancial.com. So, may mga forms doon, downloadable. You print them, fill it up, and you submit it to them. So, mas maganda if you are within the Philippines, no, punta ka na lang sa office nila kasi kailangan ngayon ng personal appearance. So, para makita ka nila in person para mas mabilis yung processing. But if you're abroad, you should email them, no? Go to colfinancial.com and email them how can you apply if you're in abroad, no? And second, you have to submit the documents, the forms, plus your requirements, passport, valid ID. So these are the accepted valid IDs, no? Identification cards, and passport, driver's license, SSS, TIN, UMID, voters, PRC, and postal. So dito yung mga requirements natin. And billing statements. No, not later than 3 months, no? So yan yung mga kailangan natin. And for step 3 is you need to fund your COL account. So after approval, bibigyan ka na nila ng account number, and you need to fund na your account. Again, as I said, 5,000 lang yung initial neto. So you need to fund your account within 3 months, no? Hindi pwedeng mag-open ka. Hindi mo na ito papansinin. So you need to fund it within 3 months, and all the instructions will be sent to you via email. Very approachable naman sila, and nag-reply sila agad. So there's no reason for you to let it go and huwag ka na mag-open, no? It's for your financial future. So nobody is more interested and more concerned in your finances than yourself. So you need to act, no? You need to act now for your financial future. And maraming ways to fund, no? BPI Metro Bank, iRemit BDO, over-the-counter, online banking. So there are many ways to fund your COL account. And second step in investing is you need to be guided and educated. So, aral muna. Siyempre, di ba? Kumbaga, pinapasok mo to, kailangan kahit pa paano magbasa-basa ka and maging educated ka sa aspeto na ito. So, paano? Una, magbasa ka ng mga financial books. So, marami tayo sa bookstores. You can read books about stock market and attend seminars. So, if you have time, SUL Financial offers free seminar, and Tulilich Club also, may mga seminars tayo. Follow blogs and FB groups. So, if you have, you can follow financial blogs, read their articles, and sa Facebook groups. So, be selective din sa Facebook groups, no? Sa mga tinuturo nila. So, hindi natin sila kilala kasi, di ba? So, but we can read, no, some of their materials para ma-educate tayo. And last is, what I suggest is to join the Tulilich Club. So, ito yung Tulilich Club na to, it's a group by Brother Bo na tinuturuan, no, mag-invest sa stock market and mag-guide, no, So, dito ako nag-start. That's why I'm recommending it until now. So, since starting in 2011, very positive returns naman yung nakukuha ko through the guidance of the Truly Rich Club, no? So, so if you want to join, just go to trulyrichclub.ph. So, watch Brother Bo's video and click residents or international residents and follow instructions. So, complete registration and choose to pay either in credit card or in cash. Wait for confirmation and instructions and email us, no, or notify us if you need some guidance pa. Or you can email me directly, loranski@gmail.com, so I can answer your questions. So to show lang, no, pakita ko lang sa'yo how to join, no. Just go to trulyrichclub.ph. So pag nakita mo yan, pag nag-load siya, yan. So you can watch the video here and you can watch the benefits. Yan, makikita mo yung mga benefits na makukuha mo, testimonial, yan. And, yan, make sure pala na referred by Lauren Junicio para masali kita sa group ko, sa Facebook group ko, at personally mag-guide kita because you're my affiliate, so my referral. So, make sure na it's referred by Lauren Junicio. And you can choose, no, Philippine or international resident. So, for this example, let's choose Philippines. And again, it's 100% profit guarantee ng True Rich Club. So, first month of membership is refundable. So, if you're not satisfied, no, with the membership of True Rich Club, for the first month, no, it's a money back guarantee, no questions asked. So, for the first month, pwedeng isoli sa'yo yung binayad mo ng membership. So, for example, fill up ka lang. So, join now. So there's an option also to check if it's super gold, no. Kung gusto mo mag-upgrade. So it's up to you. So let's say if mag-upgrade tayo. So yan. That's super gold, that's 197 a month. Super gold international, that's 1,997. Yan. So make sure it's our ID is 16698, no. So, fill up mo lang siya. And then, pagtapos yan, pag-continue mo, dire-diretso na yan. So, ma-email na sa iyo yung mga further instructions pa. And, yan. So, let me end this by telling you that someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago. So, this is a quote from Lord Warren Buffett na kailangan mag-start, no? Yung puno, lumaki siya, hindi dahil nandiyan na siya, tinanim siya na ganun kalaki. So, it started someone na nagplant ng seed and then lumaki throughout time. So, for you, it doesn't matter, again, kung gaano kalaki yung isisimulan mo. The important thing is you start. When you start, 50% you won the battle na. So, this is very important. And then for our next topic, how to invest in stocks effectively. So, discuss natin kung paano mo ma-maximize yung returns mo in investing in the stock market. Again, thank you. If you have any questions, email me at loranski@gmail.com or visit my blog, pinoyfinancialplanning.com, and message me in FB, Laurent Junicio, and follow me Instagram, Laurent Junicio. Again, thank you. Have a good day, and see you at the next video.